Did you bring the umbrella just in case?
It's moving, oh. It's moving east towards the ocean. That is gorgeous. You never really see this. It's really, look at that. I'm mesmerized, sorry. It's beautiful. That's a security cameras from Walmart. They're watching you, don't think you're not. Isn't that beautiful? See, you only get this kind of shit in Florida, man. Like every night.
And then out of nowhere, a UFO starts coming out of the clouds. We're like, look, we're recording a UFO. Even though things don't exist.
Look at that. Oh my god. That is gorgeous. I love it. It's so beautiful. Isn't it gorgeous? I mean, you're probably used to it, but it's still beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
I think it's beautiful. See, you have to have an open lot to see the thunderstorm like this. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Well, you know I like it.
I saw the storm